Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, September 19th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold is trying to regain this 4 and 8 EMAs here on the 4-hour. So what I'm going to look for is, I like the fact that it likely is going to go back test that 20 EMA on the 4-hour. Every time it's gained the 4 and 8 EMAs here, it's gone and back tested the 20 EMA. So again, up here, I've gotten over it. So we'll see if we can get above this 20 EMA here. I have a 4-hour downtrend line here that I'm going to leave in place for the FOMC tomorrow. And so with FOMC tomorrow, obviously a lot of things can happen. We'll see what happens once it gets to that 20 EMA. If we get above it, want to not reject at that downtrend line. And of course, to change this trend on the 4-hour, we need to break to a higher high. So what I'm going to look for after resistance is if we are able to break to this through this downtrend line, is going to be this resistance here, this upper wick here of 13.2340, and of course, ideally want to break above this 13.3820 and create a higher high on the 4-hour. As far as the daily goes, move all these lines here. As far as the daily goes, it's a inside candle high and lows within the previous ranges, high and low. So a bull break would be a break above 13.1530, and a bear break will be below 13.0870. Of course, the close matters, so we could go either way. You start the day before FOMC and can completely reverse, as I've seen so many times in FOMC past. So we'll see how it plays out. And what I do like, though, is that because we're so far away from the 4 and 8 EMAs, I always like that when we're really far away from, well, when we have some room to the 4 and 8 EMAs, I always like it to at least back test it in the near future. So I'm expecting potentially a back test at least, even if we don't get a inside candle bull break by the close. I'm looking for at least a back test of the 4 and 8 EMAs, the 4 and the 20 EMA here. So you see all these three moving averages here all lined up together. That's going to create some resistance, but if we were able to break through that on an inside candle bull break and close above those moving averages, that's going to be a very strong close for gold bulls, and potentially a move back to the upper Bollinger Band on the daily. So that's something to watch for on the FOMC reaction tomorrow, and see how we finish the day. And 20 EMA currently at 13.2210, the 4 EMA 13.1920, and the 8 EMA is at 13.24. So I do like at least a back test of these moving averages, either tomorrow or the following day. And if you see any type of pullbacks, you always see it back test these EMAs no matter where it's pulled back. Even on big pullbacks, let's see the last really big pullback we had. The last really big pullback we've had, once we lost the 4 and 8 EMAs, we were off of those EMAs here, we always back tested it. Even if we rejected, we always expect a back test. So I'm at least expecting a back test of those EMAs on the daily, either tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow is what I'm thinking is going to happen on the back test here of these EMAs. So just be careful. If we start bullish going into FOMC, again, we could easily reverse, or if we start bearish, we could easily reverse. So just something to watch out for on gold is that inside candle and how we close tomorrow. And again, if we see a rejection here on these back tests, then we could see further consolidation on gold. And if we're able to close above these moving averages tomorrow on a strong FOMC reaction, then I really do like gold to continue after this healthy consolidation period here. And if you look at the weekly on gold, it's very healthy. We're just back testing the 8 EMA here and holding so far. This 8 EMA test we're holding so far, and if we do get that bull reaction on the daily, then we're likely going to have a successful back test of the 4 EMA as well, and again going to start moving, looking for a move back up to the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly and daily. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.